excited. Our theme for today's workshop is Walk into 2023 with Grace. Myself and Dr. Anhlan like to really begin the year with setting the intentions and going over a set of different applications that we use to kind of set the intention for the rest of the year.
Every day, you got this 86,400 seconds to live. And regardless you want to spend it or not, at the end of the day, you only have one today. And when today is over, you don't have it anymore. It becomes yesterday, right? So every single morning when you get up, you actually got this. And actually your time is your money, right? So how can you decide and make an intention so that you spend this 86,400 seconds in the best, so that you can create the best experience in your life? Because before you know it, your day becomes your week becomes your month, and the month becomes your year. And here we are at the beginning of 2023. This is your wheel of life, right? And your wheel of life, it does not just have 1 or 2 dimensions. It has normally about 8 dimensions. And depend on your preference, it might be even more, right? Normally, our measure of success would be salary and job title, right? In any corporation, that is how you see a lot of undergraduate, students who graduate, they only focus on 2 things, which is salary and job title. However, a better measure would be looking at your real life, right? Like how good is your mental health, how happy you are, how healthy you are, do you like what you do, do you have enough free time to spend with your loved one? And job and title and salary is still important, but it has their share, but it's not all. That 86,400 seconds had to be shared among all of this so that it can help you to live a great life, right? And after all, who among us who don't want to have a great life? When I turned 60, I ran the 3rd half marathon, and it was something that I could not believe that I could do it when I was 40. I got knee problem. I even had problem walking, let alone the fact that I can running, right? But again, because of all the chain encouragement from friends and your determination, and that's what I did. And the more you do that, the more I realize, oh my gosh, when I practice that, I bring into so much health, vitality to myself. And so, you have so much wonderful thing waiting for you, Linda. And that's what I can tell you. And the more you explore, the more you will see you are just about to live another life.
Well, running the marathon is very impressive.
And I'm not running, I'm walking, okay? And like people laugh at me. And hey, I finished last in the category of the woman of my age. And I'm still happy because I finished it. So I would like to invite you to walk into the 2023 with grace. And normally when you talk about grace, it means something beautiful: gratitude, respect, accountability, courage, and engagement. And these values are very common sense, right? Common sense, everybody knows it. However, knowing, understanding is one way, but practicing and then embodying it, that is where that makes all the difference. And in 2020, I had the opportunity to write the book. And oh my gosh, again, I did something that I couldn't believe in my younger self that I could do, but I did. And I found out that I really love writing, right? So if you have something that you never did before, maybe 2023, you can give it a try to see whether you actually like it or not, because you would never know. But for me, I wrote this book and it changed my life. After I wrote the book, I converted it into a course, right? And the course, like I did 3 cohorts. And oh my gosh, it reached so far out. I mean, to transform people's lives, it's only 7 weeks.
My experience with the Grace course was phenomenal. It was a very stressful time in my life. We were living in India at the time, at the height of the pandemic, and I think Grace helped me through it. It really did help me to remain calm and positive and productive.
Thank you so much, Christine. Contact us if you have any, the course will not start until January 30th. So I look forward to talking to you or discussing with you, or if you know someone who might be interested. Thank you.